Tired of the back-and-forth emails and scheduling conflicts that steal precious time from your day? Let's dive into Calcom and unlock the secrets to effortless appointment scheduling in just a few simple steps. First, connect your existing calendars, like Google or Outlook, by navigating to the Settings and then Calendars section. This keeps your availability automatically updated, preventing double bookings. Next, create different event types for various meeting durations and purposes. For example, a 30-minute consultation or a 1-hour strategy session. Customize your availability for each event type, specifying the days and times you're free. Now, personalize your booking page with your branding. Add your logo, a welcoming description, and choose a color scheme that reflects your brand. This ensures a professional and consistent experience for anyone booking time with you. Let's automate your scheduling process with workflows. Set up automated email reminders, confirmation messages, or even post-meeting follow-ups to ensure seamless communication. Access this area from the Workflows tab and customize as needed. Lastly, embed your Calcom scheduler directly onto your website to allow visitors to book appointments without ever leaving your page. Simply grab the embed code from your event type settings and paste it into your website's HTML. And that's it. You've now mastered the basics of scheduling appointments with Calcom, automating workflows, and creating a professional booking experience for your clients. Start streamlining your scheduling today and reclaim your time.